Hey guys, and welcome. Sweet inspirations to you all. It's time for hashtag Friday Sews, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for coming. Remember S9596 and easy to sew pattern? Here it is. I've been working on this dress. It's called the pullover dress. She's on my new assistant, and I named her Tamara. And in the front of this pattern, it's gathered together here, but in the front you have some side seams, and it doesn't appear on the pattern with these seams showing, but they are. And I thought I had put the pattern together wrong, but I did not, because if you look on the back of the pattern, it definitely shows the seams in the front of the pattern. And so here it is. Love the pattern. It has pockets, deep spacious pockets, and I only pinned this together to get an idea of how it goes. And like I said, I thought that I had put it together wrong because of the side seams, but love it. It's made out of Move fabric. Fabric came from Move, and it's a double gauze. It was an easy sew. Next is the pattern that I'm gonna showcase this week. It's S9739. It comes in an extra small to XL, and I'm doing view A, which is the shorter version of the pattern. And this pattern is a super Jiffy easy pattern, a 1970s vintage reprint. And the suggested fabrics are chintz, cotton types, denim, double knits, flannel for the winter, flannel, lightweight wool, linen types, and satins. I think I omitted denim. This is a denim material I got from Joann's a while back, and it also can be made out of denim. This denim is pretty much a thick denim. I don't know how that's gonna play out, but we shall see. It's kind of thick, and it's a stretch denim. Pretty thick. So here are your line drawings for the pattern. Let me see if I can get that focus. You have the A, that's the shorter version, and B, the longer version. And like I said, it comes in extra small to XL. Here, a better view of the line drawings A, B. And this pattern calls for a crosswise fold, which you have the savages going on each end of a folded material. And it's basically just one big piece. And you're using pattern pieces for dress or jumper A1 through 6. I think it's going to be fairly easy to make. Here's some of the views, and it does have a sew along if you need help with putting the pieces together and what to do with the pieces. And I think it's just only 18 steps and you're done. Basically, you just have the body of the pattern, and it's one piece of it. Appears to be one big piece, and beard, and the straps, hem, and the wraps. So that should be a cinch. But I really hope this fabric's not too thick for it, but to me it feels a kind of bit heavy. Don't know, we'll see. So to recap again, that's Simplicity 9739, a super Jiffy jumper. Yes, guys, I'm still working on Simplicity 6511. Here's the top. I added the bias tape and sewed up the back and the sides. Got to put the sleeves in, sew them in. They already based in. And I have not started working on the pants at all. So that's as far as I've gotten on this little pantsuit. Again, this is Simplicity. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's Newlook 6511. So guys, meet my new assistant. I call her Tamara. I got her virtually free, and I'm still waiting. She doesn't have wheels on the bottom, so I'm virtually waiting for Moose to get their dress form in so I can purchase one from them with wheels. But right now she's brand new, and I've named her Tamara. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this version of #FridaySews, and thank you for coming in. Sweet inspirations to all. Thanks for all the new subscribers. I appreciate you, and you're so welcome. Thanks, and join me again on next Friday Sews. Bye.